Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a neon text animation like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK, but let me name it neon text. Okay, go to file and import your wall. Press S to increase it like this, and I'll take this image from pixels.com and it's free. Okay, yeah, so let me make it smaller. Okay, also I'll name it wall. Okay, yeah, right click, recompose, and I'll name it wall center. Okay, and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition. Okay, then hit OK. Now Ctrl D to copy and right click and I'll name it wall right. Okay, I'll make it 3D, then press R for rotation, go to Y rotation and 90 degrees like this. Then I'll go to Z position and I'll move it like this also. Press S to increase it. And let me go to X position and I'll move it. Yeah. Now I'll put wall right down. Then Ctrl D to copy, right click and I'll name it wall left. Okay. And press R, change Y rotation to minus 90 degrees and Z position to move it. And this is our 3D walls, 3D wall. Okay, now let me go to wall center, go to wall, effect, color correction and tint. Also, I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type vignette. Vignette, CC vignette, double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to amount and I'll increase it to 450. Okay. Also go to pin highlight and increase it to 100. Then let me see. Yeah, this is very good. Now I'll go to layer and I'll add adjustment layer and CC vignette again. Change amount to 400. Also pin highlights 100. Okay, this is our wall. Now let me add the text. So let me go to tools, text, and type your text. I'll type light. Okay. Let me change this. Let me take this one. Yeah, this is good. Press S to increase it, but first we want to add the anchor point into the middle of our text. So I'll go here, control double click, and I'll increase it like this. Go to align to put this text into the middle. Let me see. Let me decrease it like this. Yeah, this is very good. So now let me go to light and recompose light text. Then it's okay. Double click and go to light, right click and create masks from text, and see, this is our masks. So now I'll open it, open masks, make sure that you are on the first frame. So now I'll go to G letter, okay, and I'll open mask, or let me press press here and make sure that you are on the first frame. Go to opacity and decrease it to 0 from here and here and here. Now keyframe, and I'll go one frame forward, then increase the opacity, and again I'll change it to 0. Again I'll change it to 100. Okay, so let me see this. Yeah, very good. Now I'll go here, select all of them, Control C to copy, and Control V. Again, few frames, Control V. Again, few frames and Control V, and let me see. Yeah. Okay, very good. Now let me go to L letter. So let me take this, Control C. Then I'll go here, few frames, go to opacity and Control V. Here also Control V and C. Okay, I'll go to H letter. Okay, also opacity. Okay, here is good. Control V here, opacity, Control V here, and Control V here. Okay, and see, that's very cool. Okay, let me go to I letter. Okay, and maybe here it will be good. Go to I letter, mask opacity, also mask opacity. Then go to T letter and maybe here it will be good. Mask opacity, Control V and Control V. And let me see. Yes, very cool. Okay. Now I'll go to Effect and Video Copilot. Oh, what I do? Oh, sorry. No. Again, I'll go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Saber. Go to Customize Core and set Saber to Layer Mask. Then I go to select here and I'll select neon. Okay, here alpha mode, I'll choose mask 4 and see. So let me add some changes here. Okay, intensity I'll change, I'll decrease it a little bit. Also, I'll increase core size, globe yes, and yeah, this is very good. Okay, now let me go to light and I'll open it and I'll change this color to black. Oh, let me go to text and Control A. Let me change it to black and I'll make it transparent. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry, I forget. If you go to Saber here, go to render settings, very important, and set black to transparent. Okay. Yeah. Again, I'll go to light and just right click. Then I'll go to layer style or rail styles and I'll add bevel and emboss and I'll open it and I'll change size. I'll increase it a little bit like this. Also here and okay. Again, right click and I'll add layer style and I'll add drop shadow and let me open drop shadow and I'll go to distance and let me increase it like this. Also size, change it to 15. Okay, so let me now see. Yeah. Okay, this is very cool. So let me go to neon text and project and let me add. It's already here. Okay, let me see. Yeah, now let me add color shadow on this wall. So I'll go to layer, new null object and go to effect and expression colors and color control and let me change this color to pink. Okay, and if you go to light text, I need to see here the null object. So let me close this and I'll go here. Yeah, go to light, let me name it light neon. Okay, and I'll open it, go to effect Saber and go to globe color and go here, alt click, then parent the globe color with color. Okay, then I'll take light neon and Control C to copy and go here and Control V to paste. Then go to effects and presets and type fast box blur, double click or drag and drop, then go to blur radius and change it to 50. Also here change 3 to 30. Then I'll go to normal here, and I'll change it to hard light. So let me see this and see. This is our color shadow on this wall. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.